Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing 2 BHK North Facing house plan with Vastu, and the plot size is 40 feet by 60 feet, and the total plot area is 2400 square feet and built up area is 1448 square feet. And here is the full view of the plan, and let's get into the plan for the room by room Vastu explanation. Our main gate is over here towards north, and the main gate opens on the north door into a very spacious portico or car parking of size 28 feet by 20 feet 3 inches. From there you step up to a sit out of size 16 feet 9 inches by 7 feet and locate the bottom left corner of the house and leading to the main door. And the bottom left corresponds to the northeast corner. In Vastu it is Ishan corner, and which is highly auspicious. And placing your main entrance here is considered one of the best possible position for bringing wealth, health and positive energy into the home. And we have a hall of size 21 feet 9 inches by 20 feet. We provide sofa location over here and TV unit here. Alongside the living room, we have a dining cum kitchen space, and dining we provide a 10 by 10 feet size with 6-seater dining table. And the kitchen, coming to the kitchen, it is located in the top left corner, that is southeast. The southeast corner is a fire corner, that is Agni corner, which is most suitable for placing the kitchen. And here the kitchen is measured sizes of 11 feet by 10 feet, and we provide a stove in the east and water sink in the northeast of the kitchen. And behind the dining room, we have a master bedroom, which is in the southwest corner of the plan. And the master bedroom is measured with a size of 16 feet by 10 feet and with a bed sleeping position in the south. And this southwest portion is known as earth element or Nairitya corner, which is best place for the head of the family to sleep, so which maintain control and peace in the household. So we kept this room as a master bedroom. And coming to the second bedroom, that is kids bedroom, it is measured a size of 16 feet by 11 feet with an attached toilet of size 11 feet by 4 feet. And in this toilet, we provide our commode pointing towards south. In Vastu, we should place a commode pointing towards north or south, and here we place towards south. And after that, we have a little passage over here. And through the passage, we have a common toilet of size 6 feet by 3 feet 9 inches, and here the commode placed towards north direction. And through the passage, we have a door to the access to the old house, and which is measured size of 10 feet by 27 feet. And this Brahmastan, that is the massive hall, which is on the eastern side of the house and nestled between kitchen and master bedroom. And this is excellent catch for catching morning sunlight and fresh positive vibrations. And coming to the staircase, which is placed externally, which is giving access to the upper floors. And these are all with the overall plan. And by concluding that we have placed our entrance in perfectly on the northeast, which is ideal place for attract wealth and prosperity, so we kept the same. And the kitchen is perfectly placed in the southeast and master bedroom in the southwest. These are all the key point of the plan. That's all with the plan, and you can get more such plans on our websites, houseplansdaily.com and houseplans.world. And our apps are available on the Google Play Store: House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest and Designist apps. And we are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.